Okay folks, so looking around here, I was just up at a recent project, and needless to say there were horses there, and I've not had good luck with wild animals this year, so I think I'm going to pass on that. But I wanted to look at this stuff, and okay, there's a little stain. I wouldn't call it terribly dirty. This is a long section. I'll give her a shot here. I haven't been here in a while. Last time I was here, I was in, and the bite was terrible, so I walked back out. But, yeah, there's a little bit of stain. We'll give her a shot. If not, I'll move on somewhere else. Thanks for watching. Okay, so people have been asking landowner questions, and this person insists on posting no trespassing. Of course, you have a legal right to access the water, and keeping your feet wet, several people have mentioned, and that is always the best policy. But in Wisconsin, you are allowed to go out and directly back into the stream to avoid an obstruction, even if it's high water. So the laws are pretty... Oh, there's a fish right there. The laws are pretty favorable to anglers here, and it's not like that everywhere in the country. So, ooh, there's quite a bit of stain here. Might have to go elsewhere. I seem to remember going through here most of the time. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze, but it's not bad. It is a tight squeeze, though. Oh, I'm not getting any younger, folks. Nope. We'll go to plan B. This ain't gonna work. Ooh, there's a nice fish. There's a biter. Little guy. Alright, we got some fish though. Nice looking fish. About 8, 9. There's a little guy. It's another small brown. Got my hand wet. Here's a little guy, about 4.5, 5 inches. There's a fish. Little guy. A little better. This is my first brookie. No, it's a brown. Hit on the drop. Hit on the drop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And there you go. Sorry. About a 10-inch brown. There went a fish. There's a fish. Another small... Oh, he's off. Another small... Here's another fish. Oh, this is a super yellow guy. Super yellow guy with spots. Yeah, That's some cool looking fish. Super yellow. He's got the red silver halos and the black silver halos. Very cool. About 9, maybe 10. There's another little guy. Now this is still a brown. Tried to use that stick. Another small brown. We should be able to get to a few bigger guys here today. I don't know if we'll find any giants, but another pretty yellow fish. Sure did. Another small brown. All smalls so far. Tail guy. There's a fish. Another small brown. I'm really surprised no brookies back here yet. This is usually chock full, especially compared to the back half of this. It's usually chock full with brookies here. A little brown. That seems to be the average fish. So what we'll go with here is this silver 15, it's less than a ½ ounce, and a red skirted hook. And if the bite seems to get flat, I'll go back to gold. There's the fish. Another small brown. Another small brown. Now they're the same. So, gold or silver. Doesn't seem to make that much of a difference, little guy. Still haven't seen a decent sized fish. Another small brownie. Well, this doesn't get old, but I'd like to catch a little nicer fish. Little guy. Let me go through here though. I don't think there's a big guy in here. Ah, here's a better guy. There's a better guy. That fish is a solid 12. Pretty brown, yellow. He doesn't have the red halos, but the red and halos got a few red dots. The fish that went on the scatter. Little guy. Well, I suppose a highlight of these little guys would be if I'm able to find a tiger here today. Little guy. Which does happen. It's pretty rare, but it does happen here. Here's a better brown. Tell how well he's hooked. It's hooked pretty good. There's a better brown. Beautiful, pretty spotted guy. That guy's 12 and a half or so. Wow, good bite today. One kind of turned back and around back there and didn't bite at all. And there was another. There's a nice fish. Get my hand on it. He's coming out of there. Guy bite at the top and a guy bite at the bottom. So that was a little better bite, for sure. Yeah, let go of my finger, dude. And there's a nice 12-inch brown. He's got a little bit of blood from his lip, not from his gills. So, nice fish, female with eggs. Very heavy in the belly. Yeah, we'll go with the silver and we'll size up. Got it this time. And a little brown. Get the lure figured out later. There's a 11 and a half, 12-inch brown. Goes right back to where he was. Another guy nipping. Look at those hairs. Sometimes if this skirt is too long, they'll just bite that, and this one is too long. That will work much better. There's a fish. Jumper. Wow. Nice brown. Another 12-inch brown. Yeah, beauty. Yeah, so we'll go with this golden blue. And this is a size up. Oh, we get off. Little brown. Not a big guy. Here's a better fish. This guy's about 10. Super spotted. Super spotted. About 10. There's a nicer brown. Soaked up. Yeah, guy about 13. Yeah, that's about, I guess 20% of the fish have probably been legal like that. I have not seen a real big guy yet, which is kind of surprising. There's a nice fish. Sitting right in that hole there. He's hooked up. Super spotted guy. Yeah, another nice fish, right about 11, 12. There he goes. There's a nice brown too. Oh, this guy's super yellow. Uh-oh. I think he's going to be okay. If he behaves for me, he will be just fine. Yeah, no gills. No gills, and now I can get him out with the pliers. No problem for that guy. Ooh, oh, don't bite me. Bit me. I think that might be the best one I've had so far. He looks 14. Red spots, very few black spots on him. Nice fish. And this water now looks pretty damn low. I might have hit a cutoff point with springs. When I first got in, the water level was nice and high. Oh, there's a little tiny guy. But he's surprised he could put the hook in his mouth. Here comes a brown. An 11, 12-inch guy. Man, he's got some fantastic spots. All those reds with silver halos, and the darks with silver halos. Pretty. Oh, there's a nice brown. That guy came out of nowhere. Here's a nice thick, oh boy. Well, let's see. He looks like a stringer fish, to be honest. He's not bleeding a whole lot. That's a super bronzed up male, about 14. He's pretty messed up. You know what though? He's not bleeding a whole lot. We'll let him go. He's certainly going to take off. Let's watch him for a second. He ducked into cover there. Darn it. I hate it when that happens. There's another little brown. A lot of these today. And a lot of the, oh, there he goes. No way to get him off. A lot of those today. Not many bigs. Oh, here's a nice fish. About a 12er. He's out safe enough. Yeah, fish right about 11. Hey, look at this. Fight it off, buddy. First brookie of the day. He's a tiny guy. First brookie of the day. It's a little surprising. Just a little teeny guy. And another brookie, about the same size. We're getting smaller, folks. That ain't good. That guy's really pretty colored, though. Some blue power marks. There's a fish. There's a little nicer brookie. Not much. Okay, so we'll switch it out for same body, same blade, but a sharp hook. There's a pretty brookie. Colored up. Or is it a brown? Oh, it's a brown. Huh. Yeah, interesting colored brown. It's way more darker. Little red halos, little red dots with silver halos, black silver halos. Ha 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 ha! Oh, he got off. Son of a gun. He went airborne. Oh, get out of that mess. Plenty of water still here to fish. Here's a nice brown. Nice 14-inch brown, looks like to me. Yeah, 13 anyhow. I'll measure him in a second here, but pretty fish, yellow. He goes 13 and a half. Nice. There's a little brookie. Pale little brookie. Yeah. Pale. Got some. He's coloring up a little bit. Let's see if I can get that nicer one. There he is. That's the nicer one. Still not a big brookie, but... Or no, he's a little brown. Jeepers. I don't know what I'm thinking. on, buddy. Oh shit. Alright, he's gonna take off. Did have a little pinch of the gill. Ah, you get off. Let's try the whole side. There's a nice brown. Oh, and he's off. Nice 15 brown. There we go. Put them in the net. Easy, buddy. There's a nice brown. Solid 12. Solid 12. Nice fish. Another nice brown. I've lost complete track of how many fish I've actually figured I've caught today. It's got to be getting close to 60 or 50. I have no idea really. There's another nice 12-inch brown. I have completely lost track. I have no idea. There's a nice brown. About 8 or 9. Ah, no, closer to 10. Nice fish. Here's definitely the best fish of the day. There we go. That's the best brown of the day so far. Whew. He was not hooked greatly. Hold on to him for a second. Yeah, there's a nice 16-incher. He goes 16 and a half. Nice fish. Very nice fish. He's got a little bit of jaw injury from going toe to toe, but he was not in the gills. Wow. Nice fish. So, maybe we're going to have a giant exodus here. It's 3 casts and 3 fish. The bite is on. Oh, this guy's got leopard spots. This guy's got leopard spots. Look at that. Oh, there he goes. Sorry. Not a great. Another nice little brown. Nice 12-inch brown, 11-inch brown. Well, we're having just a crazy day here, folks. I don't know how many fish I've caught. There's another little guy. Predominantly little guys, but tons of fun. Here's a better fish. Jeepers. Another nice brown. Yeah, he's hooked fine. Another nice 12-inch brown. If I was eating today, I could have eaten a long ways back. And he's out. Nice fish. Another 12-inch guy. Okay, so I had continued with the gold one in here, and I had probably 10 fish follow all the way out. So I'm gonna try a silver and see if that does anything better. Nobody there. That guy wouldn't take no for an answer. That looks like pretty good. Another nice brown. He's out okay. Oop, and no picture because he's free. Oh, and that was a nice. Let me see what's going on with this lure. Yeah, I think the skirt got pulled down a bit, and now they're biting. It's biting the hairs there. It's a nice brookie, I think. There he is. Let's see what we got. Now this looks like a brown. Yep, little brown. Nice little brown, about 11, 10. And here's a little brookie. There's a cute little brookie. There's a fish. A little brown. There he goes. This looks really good right here. Would not be surprised to get a big one out of here. Or how about a little guy? And he's off. Just an 8-incher, if even. Oh, and here's a nice fish. There's a nice brown, about 11 and a half. Whoa, 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 whoa. About 11 and a half. There's another one. That one is a brookie. This might be the nicest brookie I've had today. Whoa! Stop it, buddy. Might be the nicest brookie I've had today. Got a heron bite in the back.